YouTube Wagwan, man, you're tuning in to Click React, and today we're going to be looking at NBA players flirting. And we're not talking about, out and about in public, during the game. Some of these mans are cold as ice, you know what I'm saying? Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know which one of these moments was the funniest one to you guys, man. Appreciate you for watching. Peace. Don himself.
Mention that.
I'm a big Laker fan, that's for sure. A big Laker fan.
And who are your favorite players?
Colby.
Allows you to have so much success from the three-point line.
Well, all series long, we've been able to penetrate their bigs, get deep, suck the D.
Was that considered flirting? Because I think that's like almost harassment, sexual harassment.
She said, "Don't I didn't ask for a kiss. What are you doing?" I didn't ask for a kiss. Stop it. I often leave the second tier.
Poor lady.
Was good tonight, so we gotta make sure our D stay good.
He starts.
Try for three. Off the mark. Look at McGee hustling into the front row. He gets the fan on the game in 5 outings. He was out for 4 with the flu.
Oh shit. Okay.
And Shaq ends up in the front row with
Me personally, I don't want no nigga to fall on top of me, especially not Shaq. Oh, the man's saying, yo, you gotta have a ute. What the fuck? Oh, said it wasn't a big enough teddy bear. Here you go. Hold that. Oh shit, bro, where the fuck? Yeah, this poor lady.
saved by James. And a foul on Hamilton. Well, LeBron is over there in some gal's lap.
Mavericks now having their problems. Look like somebody got hit with that errant pass.
That fans, night has been made.
Niggas are just out here handing out kisses.
Just wishes she had a camera phone ready for a selfie. But you gotta be really quick.
Gotta be quick.
But LeBron always
Nearly turned it over, but they still were able to score.
And they'll call a jump ball as Shaq reached in and tied up Butler. And
She got hit with
Shaq
the
is a
ball,
weird
she gets
one.
a kiss from Kevin Durant. She's gonna tell all her friends this tomorrow.
Look at the smile.
doing the work. 5 to shoot. Has to shoot. Stuck inside. Good night, Philadelphia.
What happened here? What happened here?
Clarkson dares to the hoop.
Oh, that's who he kissed at? Nah.
7th in the league in scoring at just over 28 points a game, and he's already over halfway there.
Luka trying to get it in, I see. Yo, I would punch him in his face for that. Look at the weird ass shit that these men's doing, bro. Yo, what?
Straight on look, go Bray. All alone, quickly with the challenge, but he challenged the wrong hand. Blow a kiss, yeah. Oh.
Just got some affection from Dwight Howard.
And he knew it was coming.
Dwight,
It's coming. I know. Yeah. Got that.
What's wrong with this guy?
Oh, want to give Shaq
Yo, these mans are weird, bro.
kiss.
You know, come on! Yeah!
Just clicking off.
Weird youths.
And Perkins is getting his money's worth with the foul. But I love this. Westbrook has to respect it.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
That first technical. That's a double technical right there.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
See ball, get ball. Same approach. It's pretty simple. You know how I do it, Tina.
All right, all right.
What?
I'm just...
Oh, hey.
Oh shit, he just spun kicked her. At him. Look at her.
better right now. He got that left hand on it. That's classic MWP.
Be face for the poster, so we're gonna bring you on.
Just like the trophy.
Tristan
guy.
OG Thompson, man.
Just like,
Yes.
You just
Into the game. What made you wear this nice ensemble that you have on today?
You know what? I just wanted to wear color with the braid, which is new. Do you like the braid?
I like
What did you like?
I feel normal. I feel like
Have you here a couple more times, Cassidy. You give us that good luck charm. So.
Who that is, LeBron?
Back, Mike.
That he's a crazy NBA fan?
No, but he's a Doris Burke fan. He made my
That's
life
so
a lot more
funny.
fun for a couple weeks last year.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Down to Cleveland, number 26, Kyle Korver.
Kyle Korver. One time is a good bounce back.
That's what I love about Oubre, the audacity. Blowing kiss at the bench.
Wait, what? Jesus! And did not want no kisses.
Oh, look who's here. The mother of dragons.
Oh, is it her?
you lucky I love you, girl. I'm gonna deal.
Oh, and superstar Selena Gomez, big Spurs fan, and she is here.
From LeBron James. Yes. There it is. A kiss for grandma.
Response.
Oh, they love this girl.
With the biggest body he has in Dwight Howard. 17-year veteran.
Yeah, they love her.
Valanciunas work for his.
Your white flag with the guys that you have in the game.
Oh no, that's a miss.
Free throws. You give him a little message. Thank you very much.
That's a rare sighting.
In the game.
Don't remember.
I'm a big fan of anybody that gets to play video games.
Ninja. Ah.
Great points.
Because TJ Warren, what TJ
Butler was stupid for that.
He taunted him after he got him to get
Stupid.
the foul.
Are they not going to watch what Jimmy Butler did?
Well, that's after. They could have.
Oubre proud to own the three-point.
These guys love blowing kisses to random people in the crowd,
The
eh?
game is called now, but look at this big-time shot from Oubre.
That you were loud, emotional, passionate, we like to say. Quote, you effed me. How would you describe what happened today?
A lot of it's true.
Fun bowler. After he hits it, he's been talking. Watch him talk to the fan. There's some Piston fans over there.
Shut it up.
Blows him a kiss.
Yeah, that shit is definitely ice. I said shut it the fuck up, man. Appreciate you guys for watching as usual, man. I'll see you guys later.